Hi Summit, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a proper basic sleeve using a pattern that I know. So first of all, we are going to be coming down by ½ inches just to get a borderline. Next, I'm going to be measuring from my shoulder to my elbow measurement and from my shoulder to my wrist measurement. I connect my elbow measurement just so I could get a proper view of the line, and I also labeled it my elbow measurement. So next is to get our cap height and our cap width, and I use my bust measurement, which is 42 divided by 6 inches, and it's going to give me 7 inches, and I'm going to be adding 2 inches to it. Now if you look at our full body's measurement, you will see that this is the measurement we use to get our chest line. Now this 9 inches, I'm going to be dividing it into 2. If we divide it into 2, it's going to give us 4.5, 4.5, but I want to make one part bigger than the other. So one is going to be 5 inches, while the other is going to be 4 inches. Now the smaller part, which is the 4 inches, is going to be our cap width, and that's exactly what I'm measuring like this. Now the 5 inches, which is the bigger part of the measurement, is going to be our cap height. Now on that 5 inches, we are going to be measuring our 9 inches that we got from our bust measurement. Right here, I'm connecting the lines so you can see what we measured here. Now we have our cap width and we have our cap height. Now on the cap width, we are going to be getting the midpoint, which is 2 inches. That's what I'm marking like so. And on the cap height, I will come down by 1 inches. Now it's time for us to connect. Kindly look at my video very well to know how to place your ruler. Now I'm going to be connecting to the cap height, and I'll turn my ruler to connect to the 9 inches, which is our chest measurement. Now this is how we get a perfect slope for our armhole. So the next is to measure my elbow, which is 13 inches divided by 2, and it's going to give me 6.5. And then my wrist measurement, which is 9 inches divided by 2, which is going to give me 4.5. Now we know that our body is not straight, so we are going to be using our curved part of the ruler to connect our armhole, to connect the length from the elbow to the armhole, and then from our elbow to the wrist. Now this is how to get a proper sleeve measurement. There are other ways, but this one has always worked for me. Make a video with it and tag me in the video, and let's see how this works. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye.